Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add Tron Network to Trust Wallet. To add Tron Network to Trust Wallet, you could follow the simple steps. So first thing first, go ahead and log into your Trust Wallet account, enter in your credential and log into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, this is how it's going to look like. So here, you want to go ahead and press the plus icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. As you press on it, you could find this manage crypto section. So on the search box, you need to type in Tron or TRX. When you actually type in that, you could find the Tron network. Now toggle the button next to it. Once you've actually toggled the button or enable it, this means you've successfully added. Now when you go back to your home page and when you go to the crypto section, at the bottom of the page, you could find out your Tron network. So this way you'll be able to add Tron network on Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.